Hi, my name is Matteo Rizzi and I'm the Deputy Director of the MSc course in Bioscience R&D, and I'm looking forward to welcoming you here next autumn. So I actually started myself as a student here many years ago. I was doing my MSc at UCL and I was coming here for lectures. And now many years later, I find myself here having my own lab. What we focus on is gene therapy, and that means in some cases that we use tools such as CRISPR-Cas9 to try and repair the genome of patients and preserve their vision. In other cases, though, we have to be a little bit more creative, and what we do is what we call gene-agnostic gene therapy. So we try and use tools such as optogenetic molecules, which are light-sensitive molecules, and the idea is that by putting these in the eyes of patients, we will be able to restore their vision and fight their blindness. We actually used to do only research in the lab, but we realized that there is only so much that you can do, of course, in a model. And so we started actually working with people next door at Moorfields, and that has really been transformative for us. So now we go a lot back and forth between the hospital and the lab, and that really helps us to understand what we have to do for each condition to treat it. We actually have a kind of unwritten rule now that we don't actually even start a project unless we have spoken with the patients that have that condition, because it allows us to understand them and understand their vision better and design better approaches. So I'm really looking forward to welcoming you here, and I'm confident you will like it because I think this cluster that we have of labs and clinicians and this constant back and forth between the two institutions is, I think, a really great place where to be embedded as a student.